As we depart today from one of the most unique Airbnbs we've ever stayed in, we are headed to... We have arrived about 20 minutes north of where the plane was, and this is Bristol. Don't really know anything about this city. I know there's something a little bit north that we may go visit if we have a random day that's rainy.
It's a pretty beautiful church.
Yeah.
The Bristol Cathedral.
It is another beautiful day, though. Sunny, good weather. I wonder who this guy is. Who is this guy? Raja Ramuth Roy.
Raja Ramahan.
High Commissioner for the India of the United Kingdom. I have noticed.
I was going to probably say the same thing. I've been noticing a lot of really nice looking Indian restaurants. Like Indian restaurants are really big here.
Well, it's because the British colonized India and then they probably came here to visit afterwards. But I was literally going to say the exact same thing.
I kind of figured.
I was going to say I see a lot of Indian restaurants in the UK so far. It's a pretty cool statue. We have attempted in many different places already to try and ride scooters all over the place. No luck. Successfully unlocked and figured out the scooters are behind us, but that's after lunch. What do you think this is?
I don't know.
What is? Queen? Is Queen? Queen of England?
Doubt it.
Erected. Queen Victoria. Bristol, I appreciate the big walking signs.
It's very clear when to go.
We're gonna find something to eat. It looks like they're actually under construction.
We got cheese toasties and falafels.
Lots of very interesting. Poland bread, walk and roll.
Serious steak sandwiches.
Ooh, might have to get a serious steak sandwich. Ooh, a skirt steak pasty. That actually looks really good.
And you still need to try pasty.
Oh, look at this.
Can't get tacos.
Why not?
It's Mexican food.
He's got a great sign though.
I understand that.
While we're standing here, maybe somebody from the UK can let us know of something. Our phones tend to not work in certain cities. They did not work in Brislington. They did not work in Bath. They work perfectly fine in Bristol. I don't know. That's very strange. Like, if we didn't have Wi-Fi in the places that we're at, we would have been able to get Ubers anywhere. Because your phones just didn't work. So, I don't know. Keep that in mind. If you're watching this randomly as some person, I don't know if it's Verizon issue. Yeah. Cell phone issues in the UK. Hot chocolate.
Hot chocolate.
This is kind of cool. This is like the main area.
Sushi and ice lollies.
We got a nice little Ferris wheel. Whenever there's a Ferris wheel, you're probably in the center of something. That house is upside down. Alright, let's go see the upside down house. Well, that's just fascinating. Now, why would you put an upside down house in the middle of nowhere? This is the city center area. It's got a really cool, like, mirror ball. Now that we've explored a little bit more, it's back to the food market to get
steak pasties.
Steak pasties. Lollies. They call them ice lollies here. Honey, would you like a lolly?
I would love a lolly. Thank you, lovely. What are your first impressions of Bristol, my love?
I would have to say weather always makes things a little bit nicer, so with this kind of weather, the city's beautiful. If it was raining, probably wouldn't be exploring that much.
Best selling one today is either the steak pasty or the Mexican rolling pork sausage roll.
Oh my gosh, it's a pasty, not a pasty.
Chili peppers.
Thank you.
Right. Enjoy the weather out there.
Yeah, it's beautiful.
All right, we have the steak pasty secured. Since we decided to opt for the street cart for lunch for Cody, we need to find a place to sit because we're not at a restaurant. We're just out in the city along the water. Looks like people just kind of sit on the steps. Almost reminds me of like New York or something, where people just, for lunch, they go outside and they sit on big steps. So we're gonna just find a spot to sit. See, people sit on the steps. That's how this works. That looks like a good spot, my love.
Dawson's Bakery, steak pasty.
That was a good bite.
Flavors.
Flavors.
I mean, I'm not sure how to compare these, but it's pretty good. I mean, I like the whole thing.
Is it like fried dough? Like, what's the vibe?
I don't know. It's almost like
It looks like an empanada. I want to know what the difference is. Pasty versus empanada.
a lot bigger.
Definitely bigger. Well, I mean, that's obvious.
It's almost like there's like a... I don't know.
All right.
I can't rate it because I don't know what to rate it against.
I need a bite. This tastes like a steak variation of a pot pie. But that's kind of what the crust reminds me of.
It could be the worst pasty ever, or it could be the best pasty ever. I have no idea.
Pasty. Not pasty.
Pasty. Alright, we're gonna sit here and enjoy this weather. Scooter our way to a market. These things are a lot wobblier. Scootered our way to the mall to get some essentials. The day is over. We'll see you tomorrow. Is it pretty beautiful? Beautiful? Oops, sorry. Yeah. Horse it.
And it was like, later.
Alright, where are we going? Maybe I'm just freaking out, but look at this swan. Holy moly. Don't take my phone from me.
Stop looking at me, swan.